Here's a pair of the On Groove earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put this in pairing mode, how to connect to a device, how to connect the two devices, as well as how to factory reset these earbuds, okay? And I'm talking about this model here, okay? These models here are like a little bit different, okay? We're only talking about this one here. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and connect to an iPhone, okay? So the earbuds are in here. Let me open these up, and what you want to do is make sure it's in pairing mode, okay? You'll notice in pairing mode, when you see that both lights here, both are blinking white rapidly, okay? Now, if I was already connected to maybe this phone and I open this up, it wouldn't be in pairing mode. You're not going to get white, okay? Anyway, white, it's in pairing mode. So now let me grab my iPhone here, and we're going to connect here. So go to settings, and then you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and that spinny thing down there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, okay? These are still in pairing mode, and it found the On True Wireless ANC right there. So let me tap on that right there. Let's connect to this phone first. Okay, voila. Now we are connected to this iPhone here, okay? Now let's go ahead and close it. Now let's say you have another device. I mean, it could be a TV, your computer, MacBook, Windows computer. But now let's say I want to connect to this Android phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S25, okay? Now I was already paired to this iPhone here, so let me open this up. Now we want this to be in pairing mode. And you can see when I open it up, I'm waiting for both lights here to blink white. It's not doing that because it's connected to my iPhone. It's paired to my iPhone. So what do I have to do to pair these to my Android phone, okay? Well, there's two things I can do. First thing is I can go back to my iPhone where it was currently paired to, and I can go to the settings and then go to Bluetooth, and then you can see down here the On True Wireless. You see it's connected. So from here I can click on the I, and I could either disconnect or forget device. If I tap any of those right now, right away these will start blinking white, okay? Now that's one way to do it. Now another way is I can stay connected to that one, but I can also connect to this one, okay? So let's say I'm still connected to this one, and now I want to connect to this one, okay? So instead of deleting it from the paired list on my iPhone or disconnecting, another way I can do it is this, okay? So there's a button here on the very bottom here, okay? So I'm going to open these up, and I want that white blinking light again indicated as in pairing mode, but I'm not going to get it, okay? So now I'm going to have the lid open. That button down here, I'm going to press and hold, okay? Ready, set, go. Just keep holding and just wait until it goes into pairing mode, until both lights are blinking white. Still holding, wait, okay, there it is. Let go quickly. Now it's white. Now it's in pairing mode, okay? Now we can go ahead, and I can go to my Android phone here, and then we can connect here. I'm going to go to settings. And then from settings on this phone here, I'll go to connections to get to my Bluetooth right there. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. I'll tap on Bluetooth, and that spinny thing right there is searching for devices in pairing mode near me, and it did find the On True Wireless ANC right there. So I'll tap that right there, get a pairing request for Android phones, and voila, now I'm connected on this phone. So if I'm using this phone, I'll be able to hear, okay? Now, if I switch back to my iPhone, because I'm connected to it as well, I'll be able to hear from there if I'm using that phone. Now, let's say we want to do a factory reset, okay? Let's say we had issues connecting or pairing to a different device, or maybe one earbud's not working, one earbud's volume's lower than the other, it keeps disconnecting, or maybe you get static noise here and there. Anyway, factory reset's very simple, okay? Again, there's a button here in the very bottom. So we're going to factory reset these. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open the lid up, and then again we're going to press and hold that button, but this time we're going to press and hold, and we're going to keep holding until the light here, and here starts flashing orange or amber, okay? So I open the lid, here's that button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold now. Keep holding now. You have to hold it longer than the previous one. Still holding, wait. Still holding, wait. Still, oh, orange. There you go, okay? Now, as soon as the factory reset is done, it's going to go back into pairing mode, which again, white, as you can see right there. So now it's back into pairing mode. So now let's just say you want to connect back to one of your previous devices that you're currently paired to, okay? Like for example, I was paired to this Android phone, my Samsung Galaxy S25. So if I want to connect back here, I'm going to go to settings and then go to Bluetooth. And then remember, I was paired on this phone before. So if I want to pair it back to this phone, I got to click on the gear icon, the settings icon, and I have to go down here and tap on unpair. Okay, if you're on an iPhone, it's like forget device. If you're on a TV, maybe like remove or delete. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and unpair, and then it's in pairing mode. Okay, so I'm going to scan it again. Now it's searching for devices in pairing mode near me, and there it is, the on-true wireless ANC. I'll get a pairing request, and voila, I'm connected now, as you can see right there. Okay, so I'm connected back to this phone. Now, if I want to connect back to this phone, I also have to go into the Bluetooth pairing list, and I have to forget this device, or basically unpair or delete it as well. Okay, I hope that all makes sense. All right, any questions or issues, just comment below. Good luck, guys.